Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to connect Apple ID with iTunes Store on iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and want to sign in to iTunes Store, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back, scroll it below. From here you have to click on general, and guys you need to click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, after doing this you have to go back on your home screen, and guys after this simply you have to open your iTunes store. So guys, when you have opened this, then guys you will see this type of interface. I have already signed in on my uh, iTunes store. As you can see, I have connected Apple ID. So guys, how can you connect your Apple ID? You have to click on movies or TV shows, and here you can see the option of go to the store. You have to click on this, and guys you will see this type of interface. And from here at the corner you will see the option of profile. You need to click on it, and guys here you can see I have signed in my Apple ID here. So guys, simply you can sign in your Apple ID here, and guys after this that Apple ID will be connected with your iTunes store. So guys, this is the way to sign in your iTunes store. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.